Our highly anticipated Let's Get Virtual launch is here, and we wanted to show you all of the beautiful lashes in this launch. All of the lashes are inspired by the way we text and are named after text phrases. First, let's go through our 4 light mode lashes, which are our natural daytime lashes. First, we have OMW or On My Way lashes. They are a natural wispy lash that is a slightly winged, super flattering on all eye shapes, and gives you a subtle eye lift. Next, we have XOXO, which is a round lash that is super natural but has good volume, giving you a sophisticated yet cute look. Then we have LYSM, which is a wispy round lash with pieces that are longer than others, giving you more of a fun, playful vibe. And this is Cutie, which is exactly as it's named. It is a wispy round lash as well, but with thicker clusters, giving you a slightly more doll-dyed look. Now, onto the 3 night mode or dramatic lashes. First, we have OMG, which definitely will have you saying OMG because of the volume and how gorgeous it looks. I mean, look at her. Incredible. Next, we have OFC, or Of Course, which is a medium-length lash that will give you a flared, doll-eyed look. Your eyes will be looking big and beautiful. And lastly, we have IDC, or I Don't Care, the biggest and baddest of them all. That is actually our team favorite. IDC will give you the iconic, big and beautiful doll-eyed look you've always dreamed of. And this completes our entire lash try-on. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to get exciting new content of our launches, tutorials, and more. And remember to be magnetic, be Glamnetic.